What if I told you crypto's hottest sector right now isn't Bitcoin, but something everyone wrote off for dead last year? A single whale just dropped $7.8 million on CryptoPunks, sending prices skyrocketing to $179,000 each, while Ethereum pushes toward $4,000 and gets ready to celebrate its 10th birthday in style. This is Crypto Pulse by Moonward Capital. I'm Alex, and you're about to discover what's really driving this explosive rally. Hey, crypto family, welcome back to another Crypto Pulse Flash Update. If you're new here, I'm Alex from Moonward Capital, where we help you stay ahead of the crowd with twice daily market intel. Let's dive right into today's explosive market action. Ethereum is absolutely crushing it right now, breaking through $3,800 with a powerful 2.4% surge in the last 24 hours. But that's nothing compared to Solana's monster 7.27% rally to $195. The sector performance numbers are even more mind-blowing. NFTs up a staggering 40.93% in just 7 days, while DeFi tokens have surged 33.21%. But what's really telling is the market sentiment index sitting at 69.17, firmly in greed territory as investors pile into this rally. Now, the biggest story today is what's happening in the NFT market. A deep-pocketed whale just swept up 45 CryptoPunks for 2,082 ETH. That's $7.8 million in a single buy. This massive purchase sent CryptoPunks floor prices soaring to $179,000 and triggered an NFT market cap surge of 21% overnight to $6.3 billion. But here's what makes this different from 2021's NFT mania. This isn't retail FOMO driving the market. The precise, calculated nature of these purchases suggests sophisticated institutional capital deploying into blue-chip NFTs as serious investments. And it's not just CryptoPunks. Pudgy Penguins has been another standout performer, with its floor price exceeding $62,000 and the Pengu token surging over 22% in the last 24 hours on massive $164 billion volume. Meanwhile, Ethereum is approaching its 10th anniversary on July 30th, and the community is celebrating with the Ethereum Torch, a special NFT being passed between prominent community members daily. When the big day arrives, the original torch will be ceremonially burned, and commemorative NFTs will be available for public minting. This cultural milestone is driving additional attention to Ethereum, just as it tests critical price levels. But there's an even bigger catalyst for Ethereum. A new institutional ETH treasury called the Ether Machine has just announced plans to hold 400,000 ETH. That's $1.5 billion, becoming the largest ETH treasury company in existence. They're planning to trade on NASDAQ under ticker ETHM in Q4 this year, bringing a MicroStrategy-like approach to ETH accumulation. This could trigger a serious supply squeeze, especially considering ETFs are already buying 58 times more ETH than daily issuance. It's not just ETH and NFTs making moves today. Dogecoin surged 10% to $0.278 following news of BitOrigin's $500 million Dogecoin Treasury initiative. Whale wallets have accumulated over 1.1 billion Doge this month alone, and the long-short ratio is heavily skewed toward longs at 82.18, indicating strong bullish sentiment. So here's today's burning question. With ETH pushing toward $4,000, NFTs experiencing their strongest revival since 2021, and Doge targeting 0.30, are we witnessing the start of the final euphoric phase of this bull market? Or is this just the beginning of a much larger move? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you're navigating this volatile market, here are 3 key things to watch. First, keep an eye on ETH's push toward $4,000 as the 10-year Ethereum anniversary approaches on July 30th. Second, monitor blue-chip NFT collections like CryptoPunks and Pudgy Penguins that are seeing renewed institutional interest. And third, watch Doge's momentum as it approaches that critical 0.30 resistance level with strong whale support. That's all for this Crypto Pulse Flash Update. I'm Alex from Moonward Capital, and I'll see you in 12 hours with our next market briefing. If you found this valuable, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay ahead of the crowd. Until next time, stay profitable.